I'm a sad mental case, and when I go to school, everybody spits in my face. It's all because the devil, he hates me so much, cause I believe in Jesus Christ and I pray and stuff. He makes my life suck. He has his demons do his work, having kids give me wedgies, pulling my shit up over my shirt. I'm fed up with me and the devil made a truce. He'll leave me alone if I take a nap and lose. It's suicide.
Click, click, get me ready for this trip. I'm sick, I heard the best way to go is by the tip of this. 45 can't stay alive, bitch has me wanting to die. Looking to rise, demons arise, maybe the lies will keep her alive. I know she had to leave me, I know you won't believe me. I know she had to meet me, I'm going to just believe me. If this pain and memory of her fucking up my flow, hit that draw whenever I go, just go bust and let go. My suicide.
Maybe I should kill myself.
Maybe I should die.
I have this urge to hurt myself.
I wonder why.
Pain has been my only friend
Since the age of 5.
and lately suicide is the only thing on my mind.
I hate myself.
I hate myself.
I want to kill myself.
I want to kill myself.
I'm better off without.
Anyone who doubts my life.
Now I'ma tell that ass exactly how this shit gon' happen. You gon' have to cough up that rollie and that money you stack. And if not, then I'm afraid I'll have to get to blasting. Kick back and take aim with this big old can and rig it up so it blows. If you try to get crazy, your face so over walls like Picasso paintings. Gone and picture that. Homie, you know it's better. They won't even think it's murder. I wrote your suicide letter.
My sadness turns to pain and slowly anger and into violence. I'm trying so hard to replace that shit, but refuses to be silenced. Not sure if it's me refusing or if it's just my anger. Just know that this little voice keeps telling me to strangle myself as I'm taking the rope and running around the road. I'm tying the shit to the back of a car, have it drag me around the town. I feel the yank, feel the cord, my neck cracks in half. My body's left in the dust and then people start to laugh.
Maybe I should kill myself.
Maybe I should die.
I have this urge to hurt myself.
I wonder why.
Pain has been my only friend
Since the age of 5.
and lately suicide is the only thing on my mind.
I hate myself.
I hate myself.
I want to kill myself.
I want to kill myself.
I'm better off without.
Anyone who doubts my life. It was hard to control what the voices said. They told me slit my wrist because I'm better off dead. In my head I feel pain every time I blink as the blood from my world drips down the seat. I can't think when the last time I felt this way. So dead yet I feel so alive this way. Is it just that my soul is pitch black, or is it the fact I could come back and attack at any given time? Let me do this right. I'm gonna use a butcher knife, but not in the way you think. No messing this up, but either way, when you find me, you gon' scream. I'm gonna use the butcher knife.